So spike sorting methods are pretty much similar, I think. Different manufacturers make this software, and then there's some open source software to do it. And as usual, everybody claims that their method works a little bit better than the next person's method. And there's some more esoteric things too that are out there, but mostly it has to do with just the amplitude and the wave shape. What was done before these computer algorithms were available is to use either a hardware or software device to simply sort on the basis of amplitude. Because action potentials are the same amplitude always in a given neuron. So if you have a stable recording, your electrode is a fixed distance away from, say, neuron A, B, and C. So that means all the action potentials that neuron A makes will be the same size relative to each other, and B's will be the same size, and C will be the same size. And so the recording then, you can set a window, an amplitude window, and you say any action potential that rises above this threshold and doesn't rise above this other threshold, we'll put those into one bin. And then you can set these multiple windows. Or in the old days, what was done is you would use a tape recorder, like a real tape recorder, reel-to-reel tape recorder. You would get your action potential signal recorded, and then you would play that into something called a window discriminator, which would set these two thresholds. And you'd play all your action potentials into that, and you'd use a little electronic circuit to detect those action potentials and store them into the computer as just ones and zeros. One for an action potential, zero for the space between them. Then you'd rewind the tape, set your window to a different value, play the tape again, and pick off all the action potentials that were in the new size. And you just do that over and over again.